This is a dot. This is a dot that took a walk. The paths created by these moving points are called lines. As you are drawing and moving your pencil from one point to another, you are creating lines. Lines are important because they are the basic building block of all the drawings that we may create. Lines create the edges of shapes. Without lines, we wouldn't be able to draw them. Lines can be thick, thin, dashed, dotted, curvy, zigzag, or straight. Your lines may be bold and obvious, or they can be implied. This means that you don't see an actual line, but you still know it's there. Check out this horizon line. Even without a thick line defining it, you can still see it. So how does an artist choose what type of line they will use? Well, that depends on how you want your art to look and what you would like your art to say. Do you want to lead the viewer to look in a specific place? Maybe you're trying to show movement or to show texture. Well, line can do all those things. Lines can also show emotions. Zigzags can create excitement or confusion. Curved lines are more comforting and graceful, while bold, dark lines can express high energy or aggression. Jean-Michel Basquiat said that every single line means something. So, how will you use line in your art, and what story will you tell?